Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 Ultra and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. However, the mode does not really matter. I mean, you can be on the video or the portrait mode. So I also wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to tap on this arrow or simply swipe your finger from the top to the center and then enter the settings in the right upper corner. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find Restore Default Settings and confirm it with OK. The camera settings flashed a little bit, and as you can see, after getting back to the camera, we do not have the grid lines applied, which is the very first evidence, and the second one is actually this instruction because it is shown to us after the first time of opening the camera. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.